Today, I'm sharing one of our most guarded concepts with you for free. It's called a synthetic hedge. And we're just going to look at Forex, but hedges are there in everything. I've mentioned before that there are hedges in gold and silver. That's a hedge I see going on right now. So there are hedges everywhere. Once you learn this and how to put together even synthetic hedges, uh, you're almost unstoppable as far as trading is concerned, because you're going to know how to offset losses. You're going to know how to capture wins when you need to do so, and you're going to see the market is pieces to a puzzle and know how to envision it all put together. Okay, we're over here now in the Forex screener. Now let's go through some concepts and show you guys how to get the most out of this. Okay, up here at the top, we've got the date in UTC, and it is Universal Time Coordinated. And I've also got a World Financial Clock right on the front of the site. You could open that up too. I think a lot of people overlook the importance of Universal Time Coordinated. Here's something to think about. You're a market maker, and you have to take the other side of everyone's trade. What happens if everyone can get in at the exact same time, at the exact same price, and it just so happened that 100 of these guys are all profitable at the same time? And 100 of these guys, they all want to sell at a profit for them, at a loss for you as the market maker at the same time. That's why time is so critical. Universal Time Coordinated gives you the same time. You're on the same clock as everyone, trading based around UTC rather than trading around their local time. Okay, now that you fully understand the concept of time and UTC, let me ask you a question. Would you rather be on the side of the guys that are not even well coordinated on where the day starts and where the trading day ends, or would you rather be on the side of the more seasoned professionals who have a universal time and who are coordinating together their efforts to outperform most of the less savvy traders and to separate what capital they do have in the markets? I'm hoping that you'd rather shadow or be on the side of the market makers and the guys who are coordinated in their efforts using Universal Time Coordinated. Okay guys, I hope I've stressed the importance of time in the previous section, and now I want to go on and I'm going to talk about picking a side, okay, because that's very important also. I promise you, when you guys finish this video, you're probably going to know more about hedging, about Forex trading than about 95% of the people out there. Hardly no one is still talking about some of this stuff. This is Euro USD, and whether or not you understand this or not, when you're looking at Euro USD, you're looking at a pair. On this side, there's the Euro, and on this side, there's the US dollar. And what that means is you are buying the Euro, you are simultaneously selling the US dollar. So, what can you infer from this? You guys are selling off the US dollar pretty strong. That's all you needed is just these little tables here. Once you understand what you're looking at, okay, and it's really that simple. Now that we understand the buying and selling, this is the base, and this is quoted in US dollar, and there goes another formal term which is a base and a quote. So that's how you read this, And because this USD is the base over here and this Japanese yen is what we're quoting in, I want to show you guys a little trade that I put on, and means that I left this trade pretty early. Now that we understand that we're buying and selling at the same time, if I'm going to buy the Euro USD, then I can obviously just sell the Great British Pound USD, and I've got myself a hedge going because both of these are quoted in the US dollar. But sometimes, and I'm going to show you another live trade video after this where I'm doing more of outside of the box synthetic hedge, where I'm maybe, once you understand how these are put together, how those pieces to the puzzle all fit together, I'm hoping that now it's making sense to you how to do these. Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I just decided to come in here and take a little Forex trade. Go long, and you'll notice all of this aggressive price action to the downside. A huge rejection like that tells me that a market maker stepped in and protected, put in a buy wall. I decided to do a hedge. You can see while I'm over there buying euro, I'm over here selling on the dollar yen. And if this is the average swing up for the week, this is Tuesday, right? Okay, well, it's Wednesday UTC, and so we're cooking a little fast here. So my theory is that this is going to come down on the dollar yen, and this can come up over here on Euro USD. There used to be a saying that $100 a day keeps a real job away. So I'm just gonna close out here and gonna come over here to the other side of my hedge and close out there. There's not as much to make short term there. No matter what you hear with guys talking about arbitrage, the guys who are doing this arbitrage often have sophisticated systems similar to this, and they're automating it, which means they can probably execute faster than you. So short term is not going to be as much to make. Longer term, sometimes there is, if things get out of hand. Okay, and it takes the guys, even the guys with the machines and the guys that are arbitraging and doing those hedges that way, takes some time to get things back in order and to get that imbalance out of the market. And that'll be it, guys. I hope this video has helped some guys. I hope you can see all of the utility that's here inside of this Forex screener as you start to look, and you can see instantly what is most positive, what is most negative, and you can match by either buying the positive and selling the negative, or you can use a more traditional stance and buy one side and sell the other side. But what's most important is this row right here will tell you what's happening on the day as far as the numbers, and this will give you what's happening in the last 30 days, and you can tell when something is moving outside of traditional or a longer term trend, I'll say, and it's bucking that longer term trend. All right, see you guys in the next one. See you when I see you. Peace.